Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me. You guys don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you're notified when I have uploads, and if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up for me. Today I'm going to be going over this makeup look with you. This is kind of a Coachella festival look using a reverse smoky eye, so if you want to see that, keep watching. Alright, to start off I'm using the Morphe 35B and I'm just going into this white shade with a shader brush. This is the Sigma E55. Then I'm going to go into the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette into the shade Jada, and I'm using the Sigma blending brush. It's the E25, and I'm just going to put this down on the inner corner and kind of blend it out. Then I'm going to go into both Pool Party and Jada with the same brush and just kind of lay that down just to give it a little bit of a shimmer effect. You just really want to blend this shade out. Now I'm using this big fluffy brush. This is the E40, and I'm just making sure there's no harsh lines. Now using a E39 brush, I'm going into the shade Twerk, which is this really pretty blue, and I'm just going to blend that on the inner corner and not quite as far out as the last shade, just blend them together. Then using this little e.l.f. smudge brush, I'm using the shade Royalty, and that's just going in the very inner corner. We're just blending these together, but we want to still see the difference in colors. Now using a little Morphe brush, I'm going to use the shade Beam and do a brow bone highlight. And then using the Sigma E56 brush, I'm using the same shade, and I'm just kind of lining like the inner corner and the lower lash line just about halfway across. Then this is the Sigma Inner Rim Highlighter. It's like a light pink just to brighten up the eyes. And then I'm doing this winged eyeliner with the NYX Epic Ink Liner. I absolutely love this eyeliner. It works so easy and it stays on all day. It's just a really good eyeliner. Now using the NYX White Liquid Liner, I'm just going to do some little dots underneath the wing of my liner, and then I'm going to do some above my eyebrow. And I know you guys can't even see these, so in a bit I'm going to go ahead and darken those up by making them a little larger. But right now I'm going to do 3 little lines across the bridge of my nose, just the whole festival look. These looks are so much fun to do and play around with. Even though I don't go to the festivals, I still like to play around with the makeup. So now I'm just going to make these little white dots larger so you can actually see them. And now I use the Bronx Matte Lip Tint in the shade MLT10, and I'm just going to do 3 little white lines down the center of my lower lip. This is the Nomad Around the World Illuminating Palette, and I'm going to go into this shade, oh my gosh, I don't even know how to say it, Moonlight? I don't know. It's the purple one. I'm just using this, it's a Sigma brush, the tapered highlighter F35, and I'm highlighting my entire face. And now to finish off this look, I'm just going to use this little headband. I don't know where I got it. I probably got it at Claire's years ago, but it's super cute and it has this like braided headband, and then the little tassels at the end have some beads that'll hang down. So it just really completes this look. Alright guys, if you like this look, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know. Leave me a comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Alright guys, I will see you next time.